So maybe you've learned that sound is caused by vibrations. We're going to see how the different vibrations cause change in pitch. So you'll see here I have 5 glasses with different amounts of water. We're going to see how the amount of water changes the pitch in each glass. So let's start with the blue one. Now green. So it went from lowest pitch to highest pitch. Do you know why the glass with the most water, the blue glass, had the lowest pitch? It's because that glass has very little air in it. Because it has so much water, that water is causing the glass to vibrate slower and we hear a lower pitch. The glass that has the least amount of water has a lot of air in it, which causes the glass to vibrate quickly. And that's why we hear the different pitches. It's because of how the glass is vibrating. The more water it has, the lower the pitch is going to be.